You might have heard of Notion, the all-in-one workspace that has been gaining much attention lately. Whether you are a student or a professional or just looking to streamline your life, Notion offers unique features that can help you organize your thoughts and tasks like never before. So today we have a highly requested topic. I'll dive deep into the features of this Notion app along with the AI integration and also discuss the future of this incredibly versatile note-taking and productivity tool. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. This is Anshul Kumar here again. If you are new here, remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can experience all my productivity related content. All right, let's start by closely examining Notion's key features. Notion is a powerful productivity and organization tool that offers a flexible workspace to create pages, add content, and use various building blocks to customize your digital workspace. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set up Notion and use it as a simple note-taking tool. To get started, visit the Notion website and sign up for a free account if you still need one. But if you have already signed up, simply log in with your existing credentials. Once you are logged in, you land on your Notion dashboard. You can create a new workspace or use an existing one. Inside your workspace, click the plus or the new button at the top left corner or sidebar. Choose Page from the drop-down menu. Give your page a title. This could be something like My Notes or Daily Journal. So now you are on your new page. Click anywhere to start adding content. You can type text, paste URLs, or drag and drop files into your page. To format your text, use the toolbar at the top. You can make text bold, italic, underline it, create headers, and many more features. Notion's unique feature is its use of blocks. Blocks are the building units of your page, and they can contain various types of content. To add a block, press the slash sign or click the plus button that appears when you hover your cursor between blocks. Some common block types for note-taking includes text block. This is the default block for typing text. To-do list block for creating tasks, checklists, and mark them as completed when done. Bullet list and number list blocks. Use these for organizing your information. Quote block. Highlight quotes or essential information. Code block. Format and display code snippets. Divider block. Separate content visually. Embeds. You can embed links, videos, maps, and more. You can mix and match these blocks to create dynamic and well-structured notes. Let's start by taking a closer look at the incredible growth and popularity Notion has experienced over the years. Notion has gone from a relatively unknown note-taking app to a game-changer in productivity tools. According to recent insights, Notion has witnessed a remarkable surge in its user base. As of my last update in 2022, Notion had already crossed the 10 million user mark, but the number has likely grown significantly since then. Notion's success is more than just measured by its user count. In 2021, Notion raised $50 million in a funding round that valued the company at $2 billion. This is a clear indication of the confidence investors have in its future. It's not just individual users flocking to Notion. Some top companies and organizations are also adopting it. Notion is used by IBM, McDonald's, and Airbnb to streamline workflows and boost productivity. Now let's hear from some of the top Notion users to gain insights into how this tool changes how we work and organize our life. Mary Pullen says that Notion is like having a digital Swiss Army knife. It's not just a note-taking app, it's an all-in-one workspace. You can manage projects, databases, tasks, and even your personal life all in one place. It's compelling. Ali Abdal, YouTuber and doctor, says that I've been using Notion for years and now to plan my content, manage my tasks, and even track my habits. Another productivity expert, Jessica Chan, says that Notion has revolutionized the way I plan and organize my life. It's like a digital brain that adapts to my needs. Whether I'm managing projects, taking notes, or building databases, Notion has become my go-to tool. Now that we have gained insights from some of the top Notion users, let's shift our focus to the future of Notion. What can we expect from this dynamic platform in the years to come? One of the most exciting prospects for Notion's future is AI integration. Notion has already started using AI to suggest relevant content, prioritize tasks, and predict user needs. We can anticipate even more advanced AI features in the future, making Notion an even smarter and more intuitive tool. Notion's mobile app has come a long way, but there's always room for improvement. The future will bring more enhancements to the mobile experience, ensuring that users can access and work on their Notion pages seamlessly, no matter where they are. Collaboration is the heart of many productivity tools, and Notion is no exception. Expect more robust collaboration features, making it even easier for teams to work together in real time. Notion's library of templates and integrations is already impressive, but it's bound to improve. As the user base grows, so does the demand for niche-specific templates and integrations. Notion will likely expand its offerings in this area. Notion is more than just an app, it's an ecosystem. We anticipate the expansion of the ecosystem with more third-party integrations. Accessibility is a key focus for many technology companies, and Notion is no exception again. In the future, we can expect accessibility improvements, ensuring that Notion is usable and enjoyable for everyone. So there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible growth, insights from top users, and the exciting future of Notion. As Notion continues to evolve and adapt to the ever-changing needs of its users, it's clear that it's here to stay and will play an even more significant role in our personal and professional lives. If you are using Notion or have any thoughts on its future, please share them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow Notion enthusiasts. And as always, stay tuned for more tech and productivity content on my channel. Until next time, take care and stay organized with Notion. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.